Good morning, students. This is our first chapter, crop production and management. In this chapter, we will know about the different agricultural tools, types of agricultural practices, different types of crops, and basic practices of crop production, and so many things we will discuss about in this chapter. Now, one by one, we will start. You know that there are so many tools which are used in agricultural practices like khurpi, sickle, saw, plow. These all are used in field. So you know that food is very necessary thing for our all living organisms, and nowadays large population, so regular production and proper management and distribution is very necessary. Food has to be produced on a large scale. Now, under agricultural practices, when plants of the same kind are cultivated at one place on a large scale, it is called crop. Example, crop of wheat, crop of maize. You can see same kind of plants are cultivated at one place on a large scale. You already know that the crops are different types like cereals, vegetables, fruits. So there are different types of crops. India is a vast country. You know that different climatic conditions are available in different places of India. So accordingly, there are two types of crops, kharif crops and rabi crops. The crops which are shown in the rainy season, they are called kharif crops. Rainy season generally from June to September month, and examples of kharif crops are paddy, maize, soyabean, groundnuts and cotton are the example. And rabi crops are shown in winter season, that is October to March. These all are called rabi crops. Example, wheat, gram, pea, mustard and linseed. Now after knowing the different types of crops, we will discuss about basic practices of crop production. These all are called also agricultural practices. Agricultural practices steps are given here. 1 to 7 steps are given here. Preparation of soil, next sowing, next adding manure and fertilizers, next irrigation, next protecting from weeds, next harvesting, and last step is storage. So we will discuss about one by one. Preparation of soil is very important for any production of any crop. So preparation of soil is done by this way. You can see this. The process of losing or turning of the soil is called tiling or plowing, which is done by using a plow. Plow is made up of wood or iron. If the soil is very dry, it may need watering before plowing. The plowed field may have big clumps of soil called crumbs. It is necessary to break these crumbs. Leveling the field is beneficial for sowing as well as for irrigation. So here you can see the picture of this plow. Plow is made up by mainly two parts: plow shaft and plow share. So here you can see. Now agricultural implements. Before sowing the seeds, it is necessary to break soil clumps, means crumbs, to get better yield. This is done with the help of various tools. Main tool is the plow, hoe and cultivator. Here given picture is given plow. You know that hoe, it is a simple tool which is used for removing weeds and for loosening the soil. So hoe is the different thing, and cultivator. Nowadays plowing is done by tractor driving cultivator. After this first step means preparation of soil, you will know about the next step, that is sowing. So that's all for this part. Thank you.